Welcome back. Welcome home. Tonight, at last, we're going to draw another How to Draw a Dinosaur series. Tonight, we're going to draw Pawpawsaurus. One of the top 10 ankylosaurs on my dinosaur playlist. Much like my beautiful dog, this dinosaur is one of the cutest. I chose this dinosaur to be you. Next in line to be drawn up on my dinosaur episode chronicle monologue. Much like all the ankylosaurs, this one is protected by a series of large spikes and heavy armor. And, well, for my reason, this dinosaur lived during the Cretaceous. I really don't understand where. However, this dino is clearly one of my best. Top 10 best. We are. There we go. Here's his feet. Here we are. Here's his spikes. These are the lines that surround him. Alexa, play it again. R. Here are his spikes. Last but not least, we have to draw his tail. There we are. And finished. and finished. There he is. That's how you draw my favorite ankylosaur, Pawpawsaurus. Compared to all the dinos, this one is one of my favorites. Well, I've heard they travel in herds, and, well, their bond with each other is recommended, as they say, unstoppable. That's how I recommend them. Check out this sweetie pie. It reminds me of my dog Cabo. Beautiful. There he is, everyone. That's how you draw a Pawpawsaurus. Stegosaurus, see you later, everyone. Get ready for more action.